You can see the crack going all the way around that one right there. So I'm just going to re-solder all these. I'm going to put some flux down. Got some Chip Quik here. Just going to put the flux down and re-solder every pin there on these connectors. And then we'll see if that fixes the car. If it doesn't, then we'll have to go from there. But I don't like how that's cracked right there. That's a main support. Doesn't look like it goes to anything like doesn't look like it goes to anything as far as like power or trace wise. I think it's just a support for the connector.